Guys, let's welcome the all-new Huawei MatePad 11 PaperMatte Edition, Malaysia's first PaperMatte display tablet. This PaperMatte Edition here is all about this non-reflective smooth PaperMatte display here. Now, this is made possible using the anti-glare nanoscale texture technology to form hundreds of millions of tiny structures on the surface of the mirror glass. Certified with S3S Low Visual Fatigue Premium Performance Certification and the TUV Rheinland Reflection-Free Certification, TUV Rheinland Low Blue Light and Flicker-Free Certification. The best part of this display is not just fingerprint stain-free, but also you got a really smooth touch on the display through your fingers, as well as this paper-like writing experience using the M Pencil 2nd generation with a nylon elastomer nib and a 2ms low delay here. And while you're writing on this display, you got a rustling paper sound, you got the tap sound, and also a tactile vibration feedback for you to get a more immersive and fun experience while jotting the notes. Now, it also comes with the PC level WPS Office capabilities that support formula editing, pivot table, customization, effects, transition, and animation, and more. 120Hz refresh rate display comes with a large amplitude quad speaker sound system and upgraded Huawei Histon 8.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage, 7250 mAh battery, 13 megapixel rear camera, and a 8 megapixel selfie camera. Oh guys, before I forget, you get this microfiber cloth in the box to clean your display. How thoughtful is Huawei? So that's all for today. Let me know what you think about this Huawei MatePad 11 PaperMatte Edition in the comments below, and I'm Jesse. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!